Hello, dear students. So, welcome to second year, and the subject technology of cereal processing is not new to you. Actually, you are done with as of now. We have covered bakery science and technology and food packaging techniques, and you have used almost so many cereals in bakery science. And bakery science is incomplete without cereal technology. So the qualification pack which we are going to cover in this semester and in the next very semester is Chief Miller. And in Chief Miller in third semester you are going to study all about cereal processing, and in the next semester, that is semester 4, you are going to study pulse processing. So you can combine both cereals and pulses to prepare any bakery product or for other innovations. So students, let's play with the cereals now, and before moving to the session, I'll be discussing about the syllabus. So let's have a quick look what we are going to do in this semester.
Students, your syllabus for BWOC FPE Part 2, that is semester 3 and 4, has been aligned to qualification pack and Chief Miller. This is the reference ID of this qualification pack, and a Chief Miller actually manages the milling processes for all types of grains while maintaining food safety and hygiene in the work environment. A chief miller manages the milling processes for all types of grains, overseeing activities such as handling of various milling machineries, maintenance of process parameters, inspection of raw materials and finished goods to achieve the desired quality and quantity of products. A chief miller must have the ability to plan, to organize, prioritize, calculate, concentrate, and handle pressure. The individual must possess reading, writing, and communication skills. In addition, the individual must have mechanical aptitude and troubleshooting skills. So overall, the syllabus which you are going to cover in which I am going to take up is technology of serial processing. So in technology of serial processing, this paper will be of 100 marks, in which external assessment will be of 70 marks and internal assessment will be of 30 marks. This is the instructions for paper setter, and you will be covering 2 units in this paper, and in unit 1 we'll be doing serial production. First of all, I'll be giving you the introduction and about types of cereals, what is the scope of cereal processing, what is the basic structure and chemical composition of cereal grain, and particularly we will be emphasizing on wheat. We'll be doing the structure of wheat grain actually, and then convenient cereal foods, and then there will be a brief introduction of role of cereals in cookery. Then after having the basic information of cereal production and cereal grains, we'll move on further with the working of machinery and equipments which are required for the milling of wheat. What are the equipments which are being required in wheat milling industry? And then how improvers and bleaching agents, they have an important role in the flour, and what are the wheat flour products, whole wheat flour, refined wheat flour, semolina, wheat bran. This all we are going to cover in unit 1. And then in unit 2, basic structure and chemical composition of rice. We'll be doing milling and preparation of paddy, rice bran oil, and parboiling of rice. The advantages as well as disadvantages of parboiling. Then after that, we'll be covering the basic working of machinery and equipments which are being employed in rice milling industry, traditional milling and modern milling process, merits and demerits, basic method of drying of grains, rice flour products, brown rice, parched rice, and flaked rice. Basic packaging requirements of cereal products. So this is the whole syllabus.